Hello guys, welcome to my kitchen. This is Ogomwadi. Thank you for joining me today. Guys, you know how you're on a low carb diet or a keto diet or paleo diet and you're like, oh my god, I need some cookie. You're craving for cookie. Guess what? You didn't miss a lot. You didn't miss at all actually. Let me show you what flour you could use to substitute for the regular cookie and you still wouldn't miss nothing. Here I'm going to be using the almighty almond flour. I have 3 cups here. And to that, I have 8 tablespoons of butter. It's melted already. I prefer Kerrygold. You could use any unsalted butter. I have 1 large egg. I have my sweetener. I'm mixing stevia and erythritol to balance the taste because sometimes stevia might leave a bitter taste. So I balance it up with erythritol. So I'm going to be adding vanilla extract. Normally I'm supposed to add almond extract, but I don't have it, so I'm making do with what I have. And I have almond just to give it a fancy touch. Okay, and I have these egg whites which I'm going to use to coat the top when I'm done making the cookie. You're going to need a tray pan and line it with either a wax sheet or a wax sheet basically. That's what you're going to line with. You're going to have your oven on 350 or some people put 375, but I'm going to do 350. And you need your bowl and your spatula to mix. So let's do this. First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to beat my egg. And I'm going to add the butter to it. Oh guys, I have a little bit of salt. Salt balances the taste too. Add a little bit of salt. Mix it together. Put my stevia and the erythritol and mix them combined together. You mix it properly. You don't want any lumps in this. Alright, so this is well combined. I'm just going to transfer it to a bigger bowl. Let me move stuff around. So I'm going to be pouring this almond flour gradually. I'm going to do 1 cup first. And when it's well combined, I can add another cup. Alright, so now let me quickly put my vanilla. Like I said, use almond extract. If you don't have it, do what I do. And you mix. And I go ahead and add the other cup. So now I'm going to use my hand. Guys, you got to make sure your hands are very clean. And just knead it a little bit, Alright. Okay, so it's well combined. So what I do now, I just mold it up like this, put on the tray. So the tray, let me bring the tray closer. So now the dough has been formed. I'm just going to give it a little fancy look with my fork. I go this way and that way, just to give it a little bit of beauty. Okay, you see how I made it fancy looking? Now I'm just going to top up with 1 almond each. This is just to make it fancy. So now I'm just going to use the egg wash and just, put it on top of the cookies each to give it that shine when it comes out of the oven. So now we're gonna put it in the oven for 25 minutes. 25 minutes, guys. And we'll be right back. So guys, I'm gonna leave this in the rack to cool. And when it's cool, you can see I'm already biting some of it. I just seal it in the bag and my kids have snacks for the week. Thank you for joining Ogonwadi in our kitchen today. If you haven't subscribed, go and subscribe. Click on the like button. Leave me a comment. Let's live a healthy life this year. Thank you so much to my returning subscribers. I appreciate you. Once again, it's bye from Ogonwadi. Bye-bye.